Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how we can enforce clean image file names, or how we can get rid of the broken links in WordPress. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to plugins and add a new plugin. I will just deactivate these what I have here. And then in add new plugins, you want to write clean image file names. And right when you got it, you're gonna see it here. Activate it. Now, when you got it, when you're gonna add a new media which got characters, it will automatically add it to normal ones, and that's probably it. So that's it, and this is how we do it. So just activate the clean image file names. Image size is uploading files. You can like get all the files here, and that's pretty much it. So thank you, see ya, and goodbye.